What's up guys, welcome back to the course. So in this video we're going to be talking about top affiliate networks. So first and foremost we have ClickBank. So this is an example that we're going to be using for this course. Again, I'm not affiliated with ClickBank, so it has nothing to do with endorsement. I've been using this ClickBank since 2020, so I've been using this ClickBank for like more than 2 years. That's the reason why I'm like more comfortable using this affiliate network. So yeah, that's the reason why I chose ClickBank. But for this course, I'm going to use another account that I rarely use, or I only use for like testing purposes, for like some security reasons. Okay, so like disclaimer, when it comes to ClickBank, it might not be available in some countries. So if ClickBank is not available in your country, perhaps you can choose like other type of affiliate networks as alternative to ClickBank here. The second one will be Digistore24. It's very similar marketplace to a very similar marketplace to ClickBank. But I've heard from most people Digistore24 is available in almost like every country in the world. So just in case if ClickBank is not available in your country, perhaps you might need to consider to switch to Digistore24. And the third one is impact.com. So impact.com is also an affiliate network, but most programs on impact networks are digital products like softwares, right? Softwares, or maybe like subscription based applications, stuff like that. Almost like no physical products on impact.com, and most of um, affiliate programs available on impact.com require you to be approved first before getting your hop links and be able to promote their products, right? So it might take a while to get approved, and also there's a potentials to get rejected too if your websites or your landing page not um, not satisfying their expectations. Okay, so CG affiliates and share sales, those two are pretty similar to impact.com, where like most affiliate programs are based on, I'm sorry, actually partner stack too. Like so CG affiliates, share sale, and partner stacks, those three are very similar to impact.com, where like most affiliate programs are digital products. Most of them are like softwares and subscription based applications, and also like most of affiliate programs exist in like those for affiliate networks require you to be approved first. Most of the common requirements that need to be satisfied when it comes to um, your applications for like these affiliate networks, you need to at very least have like a website or high followings, social media accounts like YouTube or Instagram, um, and the niche of your website or the niche of your social media account need to be um, related um, to the product that you want to promote, right? Sometimes you have like very high quality websites with lots of traffics, but the needs is not really related to the product that you're trying to promote, then most likely you're gonna get rejected. So yeah, this pretty much all about like these four um, affiliate networks. And here you guys have Amazon's affiliate. So Amazon affiliate definitely is more trustable compared to like other affiliate networks, because like Amazon is like the giant e-commerce company, giant e-commerce platform. However, the problem that I have with Amazon affiliates is the commission rate. Most likely the commission rate is very low, even though I think it's very scalable when it comes to Amazon affiliates. But since their commission rate is really low, like less than 10% or maybe just less than 5%, I don't think it's worth it to promote their products in my personal opinions. But again, everybody has different perspective. There's some people who are successful making lots of money promoting Amazon affiliate products, but me personally, I'll prefer like more high ticket affiliate products. And Amazon affiliates obviously are not high ticket products because your commission rate is really low. But that's the cons. But the pros, um, it's easier to scale it up because like people already knew Amazon. People have trust in Amazon, like their brand have people's trust compared to like other programs or other networks with which might have like less trust from your potential customers, I'll say. Yeah, and the last one would be going to the official site of the brand. So just in case if you want to promote like a product but you cannot find it in like these affiliate networks, then easy way to check it is to just type in Google like this. And for example, I use systeme.io. This is landing page builder software. So just click on their website and then scroll it down like this, and then you'll be able to see if they have like affiliate programs. So just click on their affiliate programs here, and then you can join. Just submit your email here. So I'm pretty sure like almost um particularly like softwares and digital products have their affiliate programs. So if you guys are not able to like find like those programs in this affiliate network, just go to the official website, scroll it down like to the bottom of the page, or maybe you can control F and then type in affiliate there, and usually it pops up like it will directly bring you to the affiliate page, and you'll need to read the term and conditions before joining the affiliate networks. So yeah, I think that's it for top affiliate networks. I'm going to use ClickBank for this course, but if you guys are not really familiar or you guys are not comfortable using ClickBank, feel free to choose other affiliate networks besides ClickBank. Alright guys, anyway, I will see you in the next video. In the next video, we're going to be talking about ClickBank specifically. Alright guys, bye.